Dale Henderson, Managing Director and CEO for Pilbara Minerals. We are located in Western Australia. Our asset is 160 kilometres southeast of Port Hedland. We have a very, very large asset which has a 26-year mine life, and that 26-year mine life is only once we've fully expanded our operation and producing it 1 million tonnes per annum. So a very long life mine for producing high-grade lithium spodumene concentrate. The project we are developing is called the Pilbara asset, located 160 kilometres southeast of Port Hedland. The expansion profile we have underway comprises a staged step up, ultimately to 1 million tonnes per annum. Currently we are operating at approximately a 580,000 tonne per annum run rate. So beyond this we have two more steps contemplated in mind. The first being to add another 100,000 tonnes, being the P680 project that we call it, and then the next step beyond that steps us up to the P1000, being 1 million tonnes per annum. So we are an existing operating base with a staged expansion profile, and then separate to our spodumene business, we're also involving ourselves in chemicals. Specifically, we have a joint venture with POSCO for the construction and operation of a joint venture lithium hydroxide plant in Gwangyang, South Korea. That project is under construction, and we look forward to bringing that online in due course. And one other chemicals initiative we are working on is called the Midstream project. What that is the production of a high-grade lithium salt. It's more green than that. It uses less carbon energy than the conventional hydroxide process. Secondly, it leaves the waste at the mine site. And thirdly, it's a much more concentrated lithium carrier product than spodumene concentrate. So we're excited about the Midstream project. It is in R&D, and we're busy progressing that, moving towards a demonstration plant to demonstrate and progress the design and of that concept. The quarter we've just had has been an absolutely strong quarter, the best thus far, owed to two things. Firstly, our production output had stepped up considerably as we brought on our second plant, being the Nugajoo operation. Secondly, pricing has continued to improve during the quarter. We are receiving strong pricing under our offtake agreements, and we've also been receiving strong pricing through our BMX auction trading platform. The combination of volume and strong pricing has played through to some very strong financial performance. During the quarter, our cash in the bank increased to 870 million, of which approximately 500 million was generated during the June quarter alone. So we stand very well positioned in the current market as we are one of the very few producers who are able to produce into this strong market that we have at the moment. The upcoming milestones we have relate to our expansion project. We have just finalised our FID for the P680 project, giving an additional 100,000 tonnes. That project is now underway to get constructed and built, with commissioning to occur in Q3 next year. The second milestone also relates to expansion, which is the upcoming FID for the P1000 project. That FID is timed for the December quarter this year, and with the engineering and construction to follow for that expansion project. Those are the two most key milestones. Another important piece of work we're working on is the Midstream project, and we're working towards the demonstration plant for that project. The studies are underway, and tentatively we're looking for an FID in the December quarter this year for that project as well. But those would be the three key milestones we're working towards. Pilbara finds itself at a unique moment in time. Pilbara is one of the very few operators who can deliver lithium product into the current market, and the market is very, very strong. High pricing, strong demand is what we see certainly in the near-term outlook. So Pilbara is one of very few projects who are able to expand, deliver more tonnes into this market, and to do it quickly. and further has a demonstrated operating performance history in this space. So we feel incredibly well positioned to capitalise on the market. Further, the chemicals work that we're doing with the joint venture with POSCO, we're very excited to see the progress with that project, and once that project is built and running, Pilbara will enjoy the proceeds of being a 30% economic participant, up to 30% economic participant in that project in South Korea. So lots to look forward to, and just really excited to see the company grow in this credible moment in time as the world decides it wants lots of lithium.